Hey there, entrepreneurs and dream chasers. Welcome to MoneyiFY, where we unlock the secrets to online business success. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the radar of virtually every aspiring e-commerce mogul: how to make $800 per week with Shopify. If you've been exploring the world of online retail, you've undoubtedly heard of Shopify. It's not just a buzzword, it's a powerhouse platform that's revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. From small startups to big brands, Shopify is the go-to solution for creating an online store that stands out. But here's the million-dollar question: how do you turn a Shopify store into a thriving money-making machine? Whether you're a complete newbie or looking to scale up, this video is your roadmap to success. Ready to transform your Shopify dreams into reality? Let's get started. Alright, let's start from the ground up. The first pillar of your Shopify success story is setting up your store. But where do you begin? It all starts with choosing the right niche. Selecting a profitable niche isn't just about following trends. It's about finding the intersection of your passions, market demand, and untapped opportunities. A well-chosen niche can set the foundation for your store's identity, target audience, and marketing strategy. Start by jotting down your interests and hobbies. Then, dive into market research. Look for trends on social media, Google Trends, and e-commerce platforms. Don't forget to analyze the competition. A crowded market means high demand, but it also calls for a unique approach to stand out. You can set up your Shopify account by watching YouTube video. Once your account is ready, it's time to design your store. The design of your store is crucial. It's the first impression customers get. Shopify offers a plethora of themes, both free and paid, each customizable to reflect your brand's personality. Choose a theme that aligns with your niche and is user-friendly. Remember, your store's design should make shopping a smooth and enjoyable experience for your customers. Next up, adding products to your store. This is where your business comes to life. You can source products in several ways: drop shipping, buying wholesale, or selling handmade goods. Each method has its pros and cons, so pick what aligns best with your business model and capabilities. When listing your products, pay special attention to product descriptions and photography. High-quality images and detailed, engaging descriptions not only boost your product's appeal, but also help with SEO, driving more traffic to your store. Now that your Shopify store is set up and stocked with products, it's time to spread the word. Welcome to the exciting world of marketing your store. Let's start with social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for e-commerce. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are not just about posting pictures. They are dynamic marketplaces where visuals and community engagement can skyrocket your sales. For Instagram, think eye-catching photos and engaging stories. Use hashtags strategically to increase your reach. Facebook is great for building a community around your brand. And don't underestimate Pinterest. It's a visual search engine where your products can be discovered and pinned countless times. Influencer marketing can also play a huge role. Partnering with influencers whose followers match your target audience can give your brand a massive boost. Remember, it's not always about the number of followers. Engagement and audience relevance are key. Next up, email marketing, a classic yet powerful tool. Start by building an email list. Offer something valuable in exchange for email signups, like a discount code or an exclusive guide. This list becomes your direct line to customers and potential customers. Craft email campaigns that inform, engage, and encourage action. Whether it's new product launches, sales, or storytelling about your brand, make each email count. Personalization and segmentation of your email list can significantly increase open rates and conversions. Lastly, let's talk about paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads can propel your store to new heights. But it's not just about spending money. It's about spending it smartly. Remember, effective marketing is about connecting with the right people at the right time in the right way. With these strategies, you're not just reaching out to potential customers. You're inviting them into your brand's story. First and foremost, customer service can make or break your business. It's the heart of customer loyalty and brand reputation. Utilize tools like live chat, email support, and FAQ sections to provide prompt and helpful customer service. Remember, a satisfied customer is your best advocate. Next, let's talk data. Shopify Analytics is your roadmap to understanding what's working and what's not. Track your sales, customer behavior, and traffic sources. Use these insights to make informed decisions and refine your strategies. Remember, in the e-commerce world, data is king. Finally, scaling your business. Growth is more than just boosting sales. It's about expanding your capabilities and reach. Consider diversifying your product line, exploring new markets, and optimizing your supply chain. As you scale, maintain the quality and values your brand stands for. Your journey with Shopify is unique, filled with learning and growth. Keep experimenting, adapting, and pushing boundaries. Your online store is not just a business. It's a testament to your ambition and creativity. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. Here's to your success in the world of Shopify.